Hi friends, Elegance Vidyalay and I, Dr. Ashutosh, welcome you to the 12th Hair Transplant Workshop, which is an innovative workshop. Until now, 45 doctors are trained with us for the hair transplant. Hair transplant, as you know, is the thing which is in demand nowadays, and you all should learn this. To learn this in detail, we have this seminar of 5 days. In these 3 days are offline, where you need to come to Surat, Elegance Vidyalay. We'll giving hands-on experience with the observation and the techniques of hair transplant, as well as 2 days you'll get all kind of theoretical knowledge of consultation, as well as medical management and all other non-surgical management of hair loss. It's a very popular workshop for the plastic surgeons as well as the dermatologists. You all can join us. It will be happening in November. Dates and the details are given in the form together.